The opportunities and spaces at SVSU are ideal for students who love to explore big ideas and communicate them effectively to others. Our forensics team has placed first in Michigan each of the last 2 years. And Cardinal Sins, our student-run literary arts journal featuring writers, artists, and photographers, has won 13 national awards just in the last 12 years. Our students can hone their communication skills in our Center for Experiential Research and Design, our podcast studio, and through employment as undergrads in our Writing Center and University Communications Office. We're here with Remy, and Remy, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
I'm a fourth-year professional and technical writing major with a minor in athletic coaching.
What's one useful resource that you've found in your major?
I really talked to a bunch of the faculty and staff when I was coming into this major when I decided to switch, and they gave me so much information about the field and possible opportunities, and were just really approachable and friendly and got all my questions answered.
And what's one really helpful tip that you can provide to students looking to join a major?
Just reach out and talk to different faculty and staff, find students in the major. I also talked to some alumni that had just recently graduated so I could see what they were doing and what fields they had gone to afterwards and maybe any advice that they had.
What's one really cool thing that you've done in one of your classes?
In one of my classes right now with Dr. K, he's actually in charge of the usability labs here at SVSU, and we are picking an app and we are going through and redesigning it and trying to figure out how it could be more usable for users.
Very awesome. Thank you. We're here on campus again with our friend Nicole. Nicole, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Absolutely. Hi, my name is Nicole Horn and I am a PTW major with a double minor in graphic design and business management. I am also a fourth-year college student.
What is the most helpful resource that you found within your department?
So coming into my department, I really thought that our department head, Brad Herzog, was an awesome transition piece for me. Being a transfer student, he helped me set up all of my courses, all of my schedules, and so far it's been an amazing process for me.
What is it that you enjoy most about your department?
I love our student club, APTW. It's for an association for technical writers, and we all get to come together and we get to talk about things that most majors wouldn't, like communication, graphic design. We get to help develop materials for other events on campus, and it's a really awesome opportunity, and we're all kind of different, so when we talk together we have a good time.
What is one of the coolest things that you've gotten to do inside the classroom?
So something that I did in one of my very first semesters here at SVSU was create my own magazine, and I was able to design it from head to toe. It was a 15-page document, and it was really challenging at first, but because I was new to the program, it really helped me get that hands-on experience and understand what I was going to be doing for the rest of the semester.
And then what is one helpful tip that you could provide to somebody who might be interested in your major?
So I'm a transfer student and I was a business management major. I came in, talked to the admissions department, and they offered me this program that I had no idea what it was, and it interested me. It was something I had dabbled in as hobbies for my entire life, and I really enjoyed it. And so I really would recommend that students who are coming in really go and sit down and talk with an advisor, and because they give amazing advice, and it really helped me with my transition here to SVSU.
Absolutely, that's awesome. Thank you.